Welcome back. If you're a small business owner and you need money, you can go to the bank, but if the bank says no, what do? Small businesses now turning to an alternative source of area to look for money, and they're approaching companies who just don't care about your credit or what you want to do with your money. Karina Huber takes us there.
The New York loan company may look more like an office than a pawn shop, but its function is the same, just on a much higher scale. This sapphire David Webb ring retails for $300,000, used. This previously owned diamond necklace would set you back $70,000. The company makes loans, mainly to small business owners, that range from hundreds of dollars to hundreds of thousands of dollars.
I'll take it for half off.
The largest amount they have loaned is $1 million. As collateral, they accept jewelry, watches, fine art, and memorabilia.
Most people who receive collateral loans from us find themselves in a cash crunch and need a quick infusion of capital that they look forward to paying off quickly.
Tayback Banks says 90% of his clients pay back the loans, and most do so in 4 months.
The interest rate that pawn shops can charge varies widely from state to state. Here in New York, for example, it's 4% a month or 48% a year. Now, that may sound like a lot, but in Texas, it's 240% annually.
Despite the high interest rates, finance expert Dan Alpert says the 2008 financial crisis created a boom in high-end pawn shops.
You had consumers able to get financing any which way they wanted to on their homes, on their cars, unsecured credit lines. Money was raining down from the sky. Suddenly, all of that is cut off.
And Alpert says banks have not substantially loosened their grip on funds since the crisis exploded.
Bottom line is the banks don't want to lend to most consumers, certainly not consumers without excellent credit.
And that's where high-end pawn shops come in.
It's a one-page document. We can approve your collateral in a matter of minutes, and you can walk out the door with 6 figures, never having your credit checked.
For some small business owners, no credit check could be reason enough to take a closer look at pawn shops. Karina Huber, CCTV, New York.